Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic Lumos X case designed for iPad 10.2 inches. So you can be used for 8th gen, 7th gen, 9th gen case with the smart cover with pencil holder. As you can see, this is a clear case from the back, and then also it have a pencil holder here. This is a flexible back with a clear TPU, slim fit, trifold folio. So let me just put in now my iPad inside. So this is easy to put in, and it's a responsive buttons with this holder, and the Apple Pencil holder will make it really nice if you have fun. And then it's a precise cutout. So as you can see it here, this lock well from the back also, it looks really good. And this case can also be used as a stand, and this pencil case is also very solid. This is a magnetic thing that can be used, like is on and off. So you can see that you can use this as a stand as well. So this is the magnetic thing in the back, so this case will just stick in and you can just use it as a stand. You can also use stand in another way around if you want to draw something with the pencil.